Hey guys, have you ever happened that, this happened? Well, I'm gonna teach you how to fix it. Step one, take this thing out. How do you take it out? Simple, you do this. What just broke off? Oh, that thing. It doesn't matter, we gotta get the thing out anyways. It's still in there, but don't worry, I will get there. Come on, get out of there. Get out. Come on, it's still stuck. Still stuck in there. Pretty durable. You hear that? That's the sound of pleasement. Uh-oh, the hammer. I try to break my hammer. Uh-oh. Sorry about that inconvenience, but let's get back to the show. Come on. All right, oh, it's out. Well, I didn't get the thing out, but hey, it doesn't matter. It's just cheap toys, right? Yeah, it's cheap. We can fix the controller. Here, we can fix this thing. You just gotta do is this. Probably gonna break this in. Probably miss a few dollars. Let's see how we can fix these. Let's see if we can fix these. Yeah. Man, these are high quality stuff, you know? There goes the controllers. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the sounds are gonna look great on this thing. Why is it stuck? Why is it stuck? Okay, it's fixed. It's fixed. It's just inconvenience, you know? you know. All right, it's all fixed now. Now it should work now. See, it worked. Yay. Where the fuck? Oh, here it is. Here's the controller. Ah, crap, it's raining. So what do? Oh. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial will find you useful. And if you like to see my channel, go subscribe.